What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today's video is going to be about how to decorate and get your security deposit back. I'm going to share just a few tips with you guys, so if you're interested in seeing what I'm talking about, then keep watching. And also, if you're not already subscribed, then do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll know when I upload more videos just like this one. Alright, so the first thing that I've done to, not the entire apartment, but I did to one room, was I laid down a DIY like plank flooring. It's a peel and stick laminate, that's what it is. And this made the biggest difference in the space, hands down. That is the quickest way to update any space, which is the flooring. I mean, think about it. When you go buy a house, you look at the floors because those are the things that stays. So that's always a good idea to spruce up the room, change the flooring. So when I first moved into this place, guys, the cabinets had these horrible plastic hardware, like handles. It was terrible. It was really, really, really bad. So I ended up going to Amazon, and I had some hardware left over from a condo that I used to own. And I ended up changing out the hardware in both my bathrooms as well as in the kitchen, and that out of that just instantly brought the space up to like today's standards. I find that if you have white cabinets, you can get away with this easily because white is trending right now. But even with darker cabinets, just add some hardware that pops or something that's unique will instantly upgrade your space. So we all know when you get an apartment, the walls are pretty much always white. Now, some places allow you to paint. However, you have to paint everything back white once you leave. So for me, I did opt to paint like certain walls, but it's not a lot. And when I go, I will just have maybe three walls to paint, which is equivalent of one room. But if you can't paint or you don't want to paint, another alternative is wallpaper. Wallpaper is very nice because right now you can get really cool trendy prints, and it just really makes the space look very luxurious. And then you also could purchase some inexpensive contact paper from, say, the Dollar Tree, and you could use that as an acting wallpaper, and then you could paint that. So that's a really, really cool trick. I haven't tried it yet, but I think I'm going to try it just so you guys can see like how it turns out. But that's a really good idea because you still get to paint, but it's temporary. Next on my list are those ugly mirrors that sometimes come with your apartment, and even homes for that matter. You have mirrors that have like the back of it peeled off, and so it's kind of like a see-through at the bottom. It just looks bad or whatever. There's a trick that you can do for 50 cents. Yes, I have done it myself in both of my bathrooms. So you get yourself some washi tape or electrical tape. The electrical tape is about 50 cents, and you get it from Walmart. But if you want to be creative, you can do washi tape, and they have that tape in gold, they have it in silver, they have it in patterns, and you just basically tape the mirror all around, and it just gives the mirror kind of like a border, almost like what you would do if you were framing the mirror with wood or something like that, except for it's very temporary because it's just tape. So that is a hack that you could try like tomorrow, okay? And I did mine with the electrical tape, and it has been stuck on for like a year. So thank me now by hitting the like button. And if you try it and love it, please come back and leave a comment. And another thing that people don't think about, say you have like a plain white room, and it's just plain and white. One of the most trendy things to do right now is to just get yourself a big plant, and then just call yourself a minimalist. That's all, you know? Easy breezy. You ain't got no furniture. Oh girl, yeah, I know I'm a minimalist. Hey, I'm being serious. I was a minimalist for a minute. So yeah, big plants make a big difference in the space. But those are just like some of the ideas that I have and have used in my space. So if you're interested in learning more tips and things, then please definitely subscribe because I have more content like this coming, guys. My goal on this channel is to make your ugly apartments as fly as can be and as inexpensively as can be, because it's not our home, you know, it's not our dream home, but for the present, this is your home, you know? So I always say you need to be in a space that you love, because if you love your space, that love just transfers to every other part of your life, you know? If you wake up and you're happy where you are, then you wake up and you're happy where you are. But if you wake up and you feel like you're living in a garbage can, then you're most likely gonna act like Oscar the Grouch. So do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, and let's make your place beautiful together. As always, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I will see you guys on my next upload. Bye.